Hey everybody, and welcome to yet another video in the Chia Seed series. I want to thank you if you've made it this far. We are halfway there, and today's going to be a good one. Today we're going to be making this sticky bun chia seed pudding. I am going to be doing just a quick overview of the ingredients because I will be going through them step by step. So in a bowl, we're going to be putting 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk inside a bowl. And it is best that the milk be unsweetened, one, because we're going to be adding our own sweetener, and also so that we can control the amount of sugar that's going in. Next, we're going to be adding half a cup of chia seeds. Two tablespoons of agave nectar. But if you don't have agave nectar, you can always switch this out for maple syrup. And here I'm just being extra and trying to get every last drop. One tablespoon of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I didn't show there is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, but I forgot to show that. And so now, once we've gotten all of our ingredients into the bowl, we're just going to mix it. Once we've gotten all of the ingredients well combined, we're going to let the chia seed set overnight. And now on to the sticky bun portion. We're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of agave, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 3/4 cups of raw pecans. So we're going to begin by putting both the agave and the maple syrup into a pan and just letting that heat up and come to a boil. And that should take roughly about 3 to 4 minutes. And now that our mixture has come to a boil, we're going to be adding our dry, unsalted walnuts. And we want to keep this mixture constantly moving so that it doesn't stick to the pan and it doesn't burn. So we're just going to keep stirring, and eventually we're going to turn down the heat, just also again to avoid burning. And we want to take our time with stirring this mixture because we want to make sure that all of the nuts are being coated with the maple syrup and agave mixture. And once everything has been coated, we're going to add a little bit of sea salt to bring out the sweetness of the nuts. And then of course stir it again to get that salt evenly distributed throughout the mixture. And as you can see, it is starting to thicken up a little bit, which is a good thing because then everything gets all nice and caramelized. Now our chia seed pudding has had time to sit overnight, and it should look something like this. And I'm gonna stir it just to get the texture loosened up. And as I'm stirring it, you will see that there are clumps of cinnamon, and once you start stirring it, they will eventually pop and spread throughout the mixture. So don't worry about that if you see those little lumps of cinnamon. Okay, so now that our sticky pecans have been made and our chia seed has had time to set, we're going to begin assembling everything. And I'm putting the chia seed mixture in a mason jar. You can put it in whatever jar you want. I'm just choosing a mason jar because it looks cuter. And we're going to fill that roughly 3/4 of the way. And I say 3/4 of the way because we want to leave enough room for our sticky pecan mixture. And the tricky part with the sticky pecans is that you want to make it short enough time in advance so that when you're getting ready to pour it over top of your chia seeds, it doesn't begin to harden, because it will make it very hard to pour it over top of the chia seeds. So just don't let your pecans sit around for too long. And there you have it, you guys. A healthy, filling, omega-3 filled snack, or even a breakfast if you want, sticky bun chia seed pudding. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.